It's time for Dylan, back at it again with another crypto video. Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys are awesome. If you're new here, subscribe, bell icon, get notified when I post new videos because it's all time sensitive. In today's video, what I want to do, of course, is talk about Cardania terraforms, and that's because they just completed airdropping 10,000 of these terraforms to the Founders Cards holders. And big news, we're finally going to be able to buy some RAD tokens. And that's going to be on Monday, February 7th. And then after that, what I want to do is just give you a quick update on Cornucopias, which is another CNFT metaverse project that we've talked about previously on this channel. So, of course, I'm going to make sure to cover all this information in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned until the end so you don't miss out on any of this important information. But the first thing we have to do, guys, is come over here to CoinMarketCap, take a look at the market because it's up today, guys. We're back up to $1.9 trillion. Now, the market seems to have rebounded somewhat over the last week. However, nobody really knows what's going to happen. You know, whether this is a dead cat bounce, a fake out to the upside, or a real resurgence. Of course, Cardano sitting at $1.12, so when Bitcoin moves, the market follows, guys. That's basically all you need to know. But what I will say is this, guys. Coming over to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, we're going to talk about the CPI, or as I like to call it, the CPI, because I don't think it really gives a full, well-rounded summary of inflation. It leaves a lot of very important aspects out of its calculation. But what I will say is that the market definitely reacts to the CPI. And the reason why I'm here is because I just wanted to point out to your guys' attention that this consumer price index for January 2022 is scheduled to be released on Thursday, February 10th. So that's coming up. And that's definitely going to have an impact on the market. Not only will it have an impact on the market, but it will also have an impact on what the Federal Reserve will do when it comes to calculating the raise of interest rates. Depending on how high inflation appears to be in the CPI will determine how hawkish homeboy Jerome Powell needs to be when determining how high he needs to push that interest rate lever forward. So that will definitely have adverse effects on cryptocurrency as well if the CPI comes back with a ridiculously high inflation rate like a lot of us are anticipating. And depending on how high that is, how high the interest rates are raised, will determine how the impact will be on cryptocurrency. I think if inflation increases just a little bit this upcoming month, it will probably cause Jerome Powell to increase interest rates more so than we're all anticipating. But only time will tell. We're going to have to wait and see what happens. But, you know, I always like to point this stuff out to the CNFT community because when we're looking at CNFT, sometimes we forget about the bigger picture, what's going on in crypto, what's going on with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin controls the market. Don't believe me? Global crypto market cap is 1.9 trillion and Bitcoin makes up almost half of that. So yeah, I think it controls the market. Anyway, moving on along, I did want to give you guys a quick update on Cardania terraforms. And that's because coming on over to the Discord, you can see that they have been working hard, guys. And that's because they finally finished the airdrop of those terraforms to the Founders Cards holder, like I said at the beginning of the video. Now, I was pointing this out in earlier videos saying that when they do this airdrop, it's going to have an adverse effect on the price of the terraforms. Coming on over to jpg.store, we can see that the floor price is down to 110 Cardano. However, yesterday the floor price actually went as low as 80 Cardano per terraform, which is still a double, right? Got to keep that in mind. That's a 2x from initial mint. But I was pointing this out because what happens, guys, when you double the supply of something and demand stays the same? Well, the price is going to drop. So that's exactly what happened. However, I think that this is still a good project long term. Very bullish on it. Can't wait to see what's going to happen when the game actually comes out. That's what I'm most excited for, when the actual metaverse is here and we're able to interact with it. But what I'm very excited about, Cardania has two parts. It has the game with the NFTs, right? The metaverse, all of that. And then on the other side, they have the stake pool. And the stake pool is controlled by this RAD token. And that stake pool side of things, that's where this RAD token comes into play. Now, I think on Cardania's website, it says that if you stake to the sum pool, then you will be reimbursed with RAD token. And of course, your usual other benefits of being in a staking pool. But what's super interesting is that they're actually going to be launching the RAD token on ADAX, which is a decentralized exchange for Cardano. So I just wanted to make sure you guys were aware of this because this is actually happening tomorrow, the 7th, and the day after that. So I just wanted to make sure this was on your radar. Just in case you were very interested / bullish in this project, maybe you wanted to and you wanted to get in early on the RAD token. I think I'm going to pick up a couple. However, you guys need to do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some dude on YouTube that loves NFTs and loves sharing this stuff with you guys. So do your own research. Get on the internet. Figure it out. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose. Blah, 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 blah. But anyway, moving on along, I did want to just give you a quick update on Cornucopias. Now, these bubble car NFTs, which I made a video about telling you guys that I was super bullish on these, they were supposed to come out on the 1st of February. But they had to delay the sale because the Cardano blockchain was just so congested that it probably would not have been successful. And you know what, guys? I actually called that out. I said I would not be surprised if they postponed this, and that's exactly what they did. So, of course, there's a link to this article if you guys want to read all about the reason why, the technicals. It breaks it all down for you guys. I would suggest you guys go read it. It's a good, short little read. Very interesting. But hey, thank you guys for watching. That's all I have for you guys today. If you guys made it this far, you guys are awesome. Smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Try to post daily CNFT videos for you guys. Been busy lately, but you know, I'm going to keep pushing them out for you guys just because this is important. You guys need to know. But thank you guys for watching. Guys, have a beautiful day, beautiful night, wherever you guys are. Dylan is out.